Lie with your back on a flat bench. Using a medium width grip, lift the bar from the rack and hold it straight over you with your arms nearly locked. This will be your starting position. Now from the starting position, breathe in and begin coming down slowly until the bar nearly touches your middle chest. After a brief pause, push the bar back to the starting position as you breathe out. Focus on pushing the bar using your chest muscles. Lock your arms and squeeze your chest in the contracted position at the top of the motion. Hold for a second, and then start coming down slowly again. You should be in full control of the barbell at all times. Once the desired number of repetitions have been completed, return the bar to the rack.